What's up, Royals? Welcome to Tonitra's Garden. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so happy to have you here. Today we have a few things to do. I need to spray paint my arch trellis out in the raised bed garden, and then I need to bring all of my containers that I'm going to be using for container garden up to the side yard area and this patio area so we can start to plant out our container garden in the next couple days. So those are the two tasks that I need to get done today. Let me go ahead and show you guys what the space looks like and what the containers are that we're going to be using. I have my coffee. It is chilly this morning. Last night we had like a windstorm. I was like, what in the world? This weather is so unpredictable. You just never know what you're going to get. So right now it's about 58 degrees out here. It's windy. It's not ideal to be spray painting, but we have to get it done. Like, I don't even really have a choice. So yeah, we're going to get those things done today. So let's go ahead and get to it. Sorry if you hear that bird back there, he is going. I have my coffee. I'm trying to finish it before I set it down and something flies into it. Okay, so if you're familiar with this little pathway, this is up to my patio. This is what the patio is looking like. It is looking horrendous. I need to move all of this stuff, but we're gonna be working on this side area right here. So this is just a little side area on my yard that I haven't really got to use. And we get really nice sunlight around this area right here and dappled sunlight in this area right here. We pretty much get shade all in this area and we get some sun in this area. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get a raised bed right here at this railing because this area gets the most sunlight. A container here, and then maybe one more at this corner so that I can optimize all my space. I'm so excited for this video because I know a lot of people are container gardeners and they are in small spaces. I used to be in a pretty small space, so this is exciting for me. This is my patio space, and I know I want this stand to come over here and maybe do a herb garden. But yeah, we're more focusing on getting the containers on the patio and just kind of arranging them. So yeah, let's go see the containers. Raised bed garden. So this is one of the main containers that I want to use right here. This is from Vego Garden. I believe this is like a 2x4 elevated. It's on wheels. So this will be the one that I was saying that I want it to be in the most light because we're gonna do a salsa garden in this one right here. So we'll be bringing this up to the side yard. This area is looking pretty rough, but this was my like small container area. I'll be bringing these four containers up to the patio and planting them up with the seed starts that I grew from seed. I'm gonna keep these greens in here. So I'm gonna have to put this in kind of like the shadier area just so they can make it through the summer. So yeah, I'm excited to get this side yard area planted and rocking and rolling. Let's go ahead and get up to this arch trellis so that we can spray paint it and be done with that for today so that it has all day to dry. So I picked up this spray paint from Lowe's and it's ultra matte paint and primer. We're gonna see how this does because I really need to get this trellis back black. It's looking pretty ashy. So before I plant it, I just want to get it sprayed so it looks nice and new. So there's a good view of it. I love this trellis so much. It's super sturdy. It doesn't fall over anything. It kind of like stakes into the ground. The bottom has like little pointy tips to where you can just kind of use your foot and push it into the ground. But I would highly recommend this trellis if you were looking for a nice entryway arch or something to your garden. I did have this trellis in my raised beds, but I decided to create an entrance and I think it's perfect. I got this off of Amazon, so I'll have it linked in my description. It'll be in my Amazon favorites. I'm gonna start from the top of this trellis and work my way down. So let's get to it. I don't know why I'm nervous. Probably because it's windy. Oh yeah. Here we go. That looks good. If you're doing a project like this, you can use a mask. I might go get a mask. Hold on. So I did end up going to get a mask because it is pretty strong. It's like night and day difference. Now, I'm no expert spray painter. I'm just a girl. But it's looking good so far. It's looking better than what it was. I don't know what I'm doing, y'all. I'm just going for it. That's usually how I do things. Just go for it. It's more exciting. Okay. All right, girl. Wow. Looking good. Okay. The wind is blowing like back this way, so I'm gonna get on this side. See if I can get a close-up. So look at that. Look at that dark black. And look at this. Black, gray. Looks so good. Let me see. Can you tell the difference from back here? Don't worry about this. I'm going to cover all of that with mulch. So, looks good to me. We'll go ahead and do this other side. I think I should have enough to do the other side. spray paint. For the most part, I pretty much covered the whole surface. There's just some areas that I feel like could use a little touch up, so I'll go grab another one of these. All right, so we just pulled up to Lowe's. I'm gonna run in here and grab this spray paint and we'll make it back to the house, finish the arch trellis, and get to moving these containers to where they need to go. Is it open? Usually it's locked. Where is the one that I need anyway? OMG, it's locked, but I can fit my hand in here, and I think this is the last one. All right, let's go. All right, Royal, so we are back. We've moved some of the containers into their spots. This space is a little tighter than I anticipated, but let me show you. Okay, so this is a look from the bottom up. I put this planter here. I might move this to this side. I'm still debating. And then I put this big planter back here. I can get back here because I'm small enough. But yeah, I'm gonna have a little salsa garden right here. And so it's gonna be really cute. We're gonna make it cute. So as far as the rest of this patio, this is gonna be for another video. I didn't think that it was gonna take me this long, but I always do that. So we'll make this patio area for a separate video. We'll start planting out that side area in the next video. So we'll make this kind of like a little 3-part series maybe. This is what the trellis is looking like. It's already standing out way more than what it was. It almost was just blending in before I spray painted it. So I got a few touch-ups that I need to do, but for the most part, everything is pretty much spray painted. So yeah, that's how it looks. Super cute. Ooh, let me have a seat. All right, Royal, so that is gonna wrap it up for today's video. We will come back tomorrow and I'm gonna start planting up that side yard container area. Meet me back here in a few days. Make sure that you like and you subscribe, and thank you so much for being here. Bye, Royal.